Hi viewers, now we have GATE coming up, GATE 2023 coming up. We have only 5 months left. Now, most of the students do mistakes by not having the proper plan. So in this video, I'll explain you the planning, how to plan, that is time management, and what are the subjects to be selected for preparation, and what is the priority of the subjects. Means all the subjects are not the same. So some subjects the weightage is more, some subjects the marks are less. And also the syllabus according to the marks is not the same. That is also different. The syllabus content and your subject knowledge in all the subjects is not the same. Your subject knowledge is good in a few subjects. In other few subjects, your subject knowledge may be average and may be bad in other few subjects. So it depends on the individual student also. So individual to individual, I may be good at one subject, you may be good at the other subject. So all these things, I have a criteria how to manage all these things and how to plan accordingly. So to explain all these things, first we have three stages, that is planning, preparation and performance. In this present video, we will see how to plan. So before we start, you must be having clarity in two things. So why are you attempting for this gate? So what is your goal? Some people may be writing to get PSU job, some other may be to get into good institution for higher education. So why? So accordingly, how many marks you need? So to get into a good IIT, you may need some 65 to 70 marks or 75 marks at all. But to get into PSUs, you may be asking, they may be asking more, maybe around more than 75 marks and all. So that depends. So these two things, if you have clarity, then we will move on. So what are the things needed before we plan? So take syllabus copies of all the subjects, just not like all the syllabus in like in portrait. So take different subjects in landscape like this. So I have, for example, I have taken engineering mathematics. So for a subject, take a printout in a landscape like this. Similarly for all the subjects. Why? Because I'll tell you later. So syllabus, we have taken the printouts and take the past question papers, past gate, at least 10 years. So most probably take hard copies, not just a soft copy, and you have to analyze in those question papers what are the marks allotted to each subject. So I have taken average of the last 6 years question papers. So if you see aptitude and English, last 6 years, no, this is fixed, is 15 and 13 are fixed. So these things vary. For example, I am taking civil engineering now. So these things will vary. I have taken 6 years, that is 2017 to 22 taken. So engineering mechanics, strength of materials, structure analysis. These three are related subjects that come under structural engineering. Then construction materials and management. So which includes construction planning and management. Now concrete structures and steel structures. So these are the marks of the last 6 years average. Similarly, geotech engineering, water resources, we have fluid mechanics and hydraulics, that is open channel flow. So hydrology and irrigation, environmental engineering, transportation engineering and geomatics engineering, that is like surveying. So these are the marks. And you see syllabus content. Syllabus content for aptitude, it's normal syllabus only. So I have taken two here. If you see here, if the syllabus is heavy relative to the marks asked in the question paper, if it is heavy, take one. If the syllabus is moderate, it is 2. If it is light, then 3. Similarly, your subject knowledge in that particular subject, If it is good, so allot 3. So up to this column, for all the students, it is common. But if you take in this column, which is in red in color, so this is randomly I have filled. Randomly I have filled. For my taking me as example. So see, in some subjects I am good, I am bad, I am average. So I have taken like this, all this in red in color. But everybody, we should not leave aptitude and English, because this is relative competition among us. So this we should not leave. Now if you see this, if you have multiply marks, syllabus content and subject knowledge, you will be getting weightage for each subject, weightage. So now if you see, if you have syllabus, less syllabus, and good, if you are good at that subject, then I have taken, see, I have round off these 3 and 3. We have 3 subjects here. So because I am good at these subjects and the syllabus is light, so I can complete it within no time. Within no time means maybe it will take some 2 months to complete these subjects. So because I am good at these subjects, you can fill these in November and December, just before the exam, December and November. So say I will take geotech, transportation, and then water resources. I will complete these 3, for example, these 3 here. Now if you want to give priority to the subjects, what is the priority? See, weightage, this is 1, mathematics is 54, next this one 2, similarly 3, 4, 5. I have given rankings. So yeah, I have to fill this like this. So first priority is to maths. So now we are starting at August. So maths, how many days it will take to complete maths? So we have the syllabus copy, right? Syllabus copy we have, and take the textbook or any material. So analyze and estimate how many days it will take for you to complete, to get perfection in that subject. So right, so I have written here, even in this subject, I am good at a few chapters, I am bad at a few chapters. See, linear algebra, so it will take around some 7 days. Calculus, maybe 2 days. Numerical methods, maybe 1 day. Like that, you fill all these things, and in my estimation, I can complete maths in 14 days. See, similarly, next thing is, second priority is this one, fluid mechanics and open channel flow. So similarly, estimate, take the syllabus copy and estimate and fill it. Similarly, fill all these things. If I fill all these things, then I may miss a few subjects. So I may miss these 2. Not a problem. Leave them. Not a problem. Because 100% preparation is not possible in these 5 months. So what about January? What about January? So we have to revise. We have to attempt subject-wise tests. We have to apply for the grand tests. So if you are attempting the exam, then you have to analyze what are the faults you have done, and you have to rectify them, and then go to the next exam. So revision and exam, revise and exam, everything can be done in January. So these are the things. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comments. All the best.